What happens when you stop speaking for 3 days? No calls, no texts, no small talk. I tried it, and it fixed problems I didn't even know I had. We live in a world that never shuts up. Notifications, meetings, endless chatter. But science shows constant noise drains your focus, spikes cortisol, and buries your intuition. My breaking point? I forgot what my own voice sounded like. Day 1 felt freeing, until I realized how much I relied on words to hide. Day 2, agony. I almost quit when my friend said, "You're being selfish." Day 3, clarity hit. I heard my thoughts for the first time in years. A 2023 UCLA study found 48 hours of silence regrows hippocampus cells, the brain's memory hub. For me, my anxiety halved. I wrote 10 pages of a book, and I finally heard my gut saying, quit that toxic job. Step 1, warn key people. Step 2, delete social apps. Step 3, carry a notebook. Pro tip, walk in nature. It's the ultimate silence amplifier. If you're ready to hear yourself again, comment, say chuchuch below, and subscribe. Next week, I'm tackling the 7-day digital corpse, and it's wilder than this.